welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Okay, and before we get into it, y'all already know today is Friday, y'all. It's December. It's a whole new month, y'all. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I hope y'all ready, because I'm ready, y'all. Okay, so I'm really excited that it's actually a new month. I love when it's a new month, y'all, to be very honest, because I feel like you get to restart, you get to refresh. Like, it's a perfect reason to like start over. One of the things I do is I set like monthly goals and things like that. So I love when it's a new month, especially if my month didn't go the way I wanted it to. But to be very honest, baby, I finished November on a high note. So I'm pretty satisfied with how November went, and it kind of ties me into this video with what I'm going to talk to y'all about. Obviously, it's a get ready with me. Obviously, I already started getting ready. So yeah, I'm going to insert the clip here. Fast forward me getting ready. Here we are. So I wanted to talk to y'all about like finishing strong, y'all. We are in the last month of the last year, and I was thinking about it, like, y'all ever prepared for something and the more you prepared for it, the better it freaking turned out? So make sure you do the same thing for 2023, because 2023 has to be a big year. Cheers to it being a big year, y'all. But in order for it to be a big year, y'all gotta plan right, y'all gotta prepare right, and y'all have to make sure that y'all finish strong, y'all. Like, don't fold, don't be like, oh, I'm just gonna chill and wait for the, no, like, start now. Like, you know, when y'all, to the women that cook or the men that cook, y'all know when y'all like prepping for a meal and y'all just get in the kitchen and just prep. Y'all cut up the onions, y'all cut up this, y'all cut up that, so that y'all aren't overwhelmed. Like, when it's time to actually cook, you prepare, you make sure you do everything that you gotta do. So that's what I wanted to motivate my supporters to do, is prep for 2023, plan for 2023, make sure that you handle your business, finish the year strong, start setting your goals, start setting yourself up for success for everything that you want to accomplish. I already wrote down my goals for the month of December. I do need to set aside time to write down my goals for, like, of course, January, but for 2023 overall. And just start now, y'all. Finish strong. Like, don't get comfortable because it's the end of the year. Don't get discouraged, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I had certain goals, y'all, and this is crazy. Like, I had certain goals for November, and I was just like, I was gonna push them out because I felt like it was gonna take longer than I expected. Baby, no. This last week, because obviously this is the last week of November, like, a lot of my, not a lot, but a few of my goals like started falling in line, and I was like, holy shoot. Like, I'm so glad that I didn't talk myself out of writing this goal down, making this particular thing a goal, y'all, because I ended up accomplishing like that goal, and I'm like, wow, this is crazy. So make sure y'all write down goals, set goals for yourself, keep working, don't give up, y'all. I'm telling you, like, do not give up. It may take like blood, sweat, and tears. Like, sometimes, like, I get overwhelmed, I be crying, I be like, you know, like, cause it be hard. Like, doing this YouTube stuff is hard. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of sacrifices. It takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of consistency. And sometimes it can get overwhelming because it's not what you're used to doing. You know what I'm trying to say? But in spite of that, I keep going no matter what. I still put one foot in front of the other and just keep going no matter what, because I have this strong belief that if I keep putting one foot in front of the other, eventually I'm going to get the results that I'm looking for. And the crazy thing is, like, my results started like just going through the roof, and I'm like, I'm so glad I didn't give up. So don't give up. Like, whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, just keep looking for ways, looking for ways, looking for ways. Eventually they will come to you. Take time and just think and just think and just search and just search. Whatever you're looking for, it's also looking for you, and I promise you will find it. But you have to, first of all, you have to start off by making a decision to finish strong. Start off by making a decision that you're not going to give up. Make a decision. That's another thing. Even when you do find what you're looking for, make a decision not to get comfortable. Go bigger, go harder, do more. Like, even when you feel like you've given it everything that you have, give it more. Like, literally give it more, because that's what I do. Like, some days I'll be feeling like I don't have anything left. Like, you know, you squeeze the juice out of a lemon and there's nothing left in it, but then you stick it in the microwave and squeeze it out again, and you're like, oh, there was more juice. That's a side note, y'all, by the way. But yes, like, you just have to find a way, man. Whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that you want to come to pass, find a way. Keep going, keep looking, keep searching, because whatever you are looking for is looking for you, and it will definitely find you, y'all. I'm telling you, it will find you. You just have to just continue, just stay focused. Don't give up on your goals. Don't give up on your dreams. Even if it don't happen this month, move it to next month, but still put your best foot forward. Like, still put everything that you can, like, in it, because you just never know when, like, your breakthrough is going to come. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, you really and truly just never ever know. And sometimes the only way to find out is to just keep going. Just make a decision that you're not going to quit. Make a decision that you're not going to fold, no matter what, no matter how hard it gets. Like, thug it out. Like, thug it out, okay? Like, you could do whatever it is that you're trying to do. You can accomplish whatever it is that you are trying to accomplish. You just have to keep going and just finish strong. Y'all ever seen those people that run like track and field, or those people that do sports and they don't stop? Like, even the person that come in last place, they don't stop. Like, you know, when people are running track and field, they don't stop because they already lost or because they feel like they've already lost. No, they still go over the finish line. So even if you feel like you haven't done whatever you wanted to do, or you're not as close as you want to be, but whatever it is that you're trying to do, keep going. Just finish strong. Wrap it up, finish up, get to the finish line. Because again, even if you make mistakes, even if it don't go how you want to, the number one thing is you can learn from it. Like, you really and truly can. If something don't work out the way that you expected it to, I promise you could learn something from it, get up, try again, and figure out how to do it better because you made a mistake. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, think about the times in your lives when you've made a mistake, right? And that mistake taught you more than if you didn't make that mistake. You know what I'm trying to say? If you kept doing things perfectly the way that you were always doing them, you probably wouldn't have learned. So finish this year strong, y'all. 2023 is going to be a big year. I'm claiming it. I'm declaring it in my life, y'all. I will be 30 years old, and I'm like, that is going to be the biggest year of my life. Like, I don't care. I'm doing every single thing that it takes. Like, the next 6 months, like between this month and July 31st. So that's what, basically like 7-8 months, y'all. I'm about to work my butt off because I know what it takes to get every single thing that I want. I just have to put in the work. I just have to put in the time, and I'm about to finish strong. Like, I'm about to finish strong. Like, being 29, baby, I'm about to finish strong because I'm trying to live it up. Like, in my 30s, I'm trying to live it up. Like, there's goals that I want to accomplish, there's dreams that I want to accomplish, and I'm just trying to live it up. So I know the only way to do that is I have to finish strong. I can't fold. I can't get comfortable. Even if I get discouraged, even if I make a mistake, I gotta pick myself up and literally just keep on moving forward, like no matter what. So whoever's watching this video, just keep moving forward, y'all. Finish strong, don't fold, don't give up. Write those goals down. It's a new month, it's still time. Like, it's still time, y'all. You might feel like it's too late, you might feel like, oh, I don't have no more time. Baby, you do. Every second counts, okay? Every second counts, but you have to make it count. It's up to you to make it count. Nobody else can make it count for you. I can't make it count for you. Your kids can't make it count for you. Your significant other can't make it count for you. You have to take it personal and make it count for yourself. So make sure y'all finish strong, y'all. Make sure y'all finish strong. I'm pretty much done. I just gotta finish putting my makeup on, put on the rest of my outfit. I'm probably gonna pop out because I'm running behind, and then when I come back I'll show y'all my outfit. But y'all get it, man. Feel free to comment below if there's a goal that you wanted to accomplish earlier in the year but you still haven't, and you're not gonna give up on accomplishing it. I know mine, I know some of mine, so yeah. But I'm gonna pretty much see y'all in the next part of the video because your girl gotta go. I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all feel me, you know? I hope y'all feel me. Let's talk about it. I got this thingy thing, cause y'all know in New England it get cold in these streets, you heard? It's the bag I'm wearing. Y'all see the details, Yeah, I think we about to do a ponytail on this joint. Y'all, I'm ready to get my hair redone too. Like, so ready to get it redone, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Real bad. Real bad. Real bad. You're done. Real bad. I need to clean these off, child. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Real bad. Period. I'll be back, y'all. Hey, y'all. So I am officially back, and unfortunately, y'all, I got home yesterday. It's currently the next day, actually. It's Saturday, December 3rd. It's currently 8:06 p.m. Y'all, I got home yesterday and I completely forgot to close out this video because by the time I got back home, it was time to drop the video yesterday. So I just locked in to drop that. I had already changed my clothes, eaten, everything. So I didn't even get to show y'all like my outfit or whatever. So I don't know, maybe I'll run it back in another video, who knows. But y'all got the message in that video. Just finish strong, hence this video. Okay, I could have said I'm gonna scratch the whole thing, but it's like, no, just finish strong. Like, do something separate and just wrap it up. Still drop the video, still edit everything, so y'all still getting this video even though y'all didn't get to see my outfit and stuff. As y'all see, I even changed my hair. Like, I was mad at myself for a little bit when I realized I didn't finish the video, but that's because I'm locked in, y'all. I'm focused on finishing the year strong. So whatever it is that you're doing, whatever goals you have, my biggest goal, my biggest focus right now is YouTube. Like, it's building my brand, building my YouTube channel and stuff. Like, that's what I'm locked in on doing. So I'm making sure that I finish strong. If y'all want like a book recommendation as well, I recommend this book, y'all. This is the book that I've been reading with my book club. It's called The 12-Week Year, and it will get you activated. Like, if there's something that you're trying to do, if something you're trying to lock in, focus on accomplishing, baby, this will get you locked in, like, period. So if you, I know y'all see, like, y'all tell me all the time, and I appreciate y'all, like, y'all see my consistency, and it's because of the book that I read that just talks about being consistent, focusing on executing. So just focus on executing. When summertime comes, you could be back outside, you can have all the fun you have, but finish strong. Wrap up your goals, wrap up whatever, do whatever you can to finish this year strong, to put yourself in a position to where you want to be for next year, because y'all know 2023 is gonna be a big year, y'all. It's gonna be big. But if you play around right now, if you sleep, if you chill, if you get comfortable right now, there's no way you can make 2023 a big year. Like, you gotta plan, you gotta prep, you gotta start now. So finish strong. That's all I have for y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so I can keep y'all motivated, so I can keep y'all on y'all toes, okay? Yeah. Anyways, so y'all like my new hair? Comment below if y'all like my new hair. I like it. I like it. Anyways, y'all, but yeah, just finish strong. Like, all jokes aside, finish strong. Handle your business. Do what you gotta do. You can have fun later. You could chill later. You could do whatever you want to do later. Handle your business. Reach your goals. Stay focused. And that's it. That's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.